even when we are said, when we have a purpose for our life, there must be adequate preparation. Once there is no preparation, you can't make use of any opportunity. And that is why in an office, you will see two people, they came in at the same entry level. But after some years, even if I'm in the same department, one will be earning more than the other. One may even be promoted above the other. What really happened? It is the preparation that the other person has put into it. Unfortunately, many of us now, when we see is it not that lady? It's because a guy is sleeping with her. Oh, it's because of social thing. Whereas we didn't prepare ourselves. You that they are not sleeping with, how prepared are you? Whenever opportunity comes to promote people, they are not just going to put you there because you have been there for long. They are going to look at, are you preparing yourself? Because I remember before my retirement, they will tell you, you must be able to convince your line manager, your director, where do you want to be in the next 3 years? Where do you want to be in the next 3 years? You cannot be in next year and just be a manager. Even if you are a senior manager, they want to ask you, where do you see yourself in the next 3 years? If you say you still see yourself on that particular chair, sorry, I can bet you will soon go. Because you need to prepare yourself. The day my finance director asked me, say, Nelson, how do you see yourself in the next 3 years? And he was just coming. He was an expatriate. They just brought him. And he said, in the next 3 years, I said, in the next 3 years, I want to sit down where you are sitting. He laughed. I said, is it because you are just coming? I mean, what separates you? What makes you feel you are better than me? It's because you have some information at your heart, which I don't have. From that onward, he respected me. You are bound to be respected. And of course, I told him quite clear, sorry, I know exactly what you are doing, but because of your position, you have some privileged information sent to you directly from Switzerland, which I don't have, and it's just by virtue of your position. So if I'm in your position too, they will be sending it to me. And I will equally do it. But the question is, am I really preparing myself to sit down on that chair?